Next is the Shift key. And this is one of my favorites because now I can click on one message and hold down the Shift key. And when I click on the second message, everything between the two clicks will be highlighted. So here we go. I'm going to click. And so now everything between the top and bottom is also included in the selection. Now sometimes we can kind of drag and drop and do that, but also drag and drop might move the message. It's a little messy. But notice I can click on the very top message and grab my scroll bar and scroll down a good long ways and then hold Shift and click on another one. And now notice everything between those two clicks is selected. So all I did was grab the scroll bar and move to the bottom of that list so that I could get a lot more messages into my selection. And now I could drag them into a mailbox. I could drag them into the trash. I could just hit the delete key and or push the delete button.